Wow, look at all the trucks. Let's meet them. This is a construction site. All the vehicles are working hard. There are so many cool trucks and construction vehicles, and they are all here to play. Come and see. We will meet them one by one. Hi, little ones, it's me. First, let's look over there. Do you see that big yellow vehicle? That is an excavator. It digs big holes. Can you see its long arm? It has a bucket at the end. When the bucket moves up and down, it looks like the excavator is waving. Wow, let's wave back. This is an excavator. It digs big holes. Next, we need to find a cement mixer and makes concrete. Listen to its engine. Beep, beep. It sounds like this truck is saying, I'm mixing cement. Look at a big drum. The drum mixes the cement until it's ready. Then it drives around the construction site. The cement mixer makes concrete for our buildings and our roads. This is a cement mixer. It makes concrete. Next, we will look for a dump truck. It carries rocks and sand and dirt. A dump truck has a big bed. It can carry lots of materials. Listen, beep beep. Dump truck says I'm a dump truck. I'm carrying rocks and sand and dirt. When it reaches the building site, it can tip its bed. All the materials fall out. The dump truck helps to build our houses and our roads. This is a dump truck. It carries rocks, sand, and dirt. Next, let's find a road roller. It drives on the road. The road roller makes the road smooth and even. Roll, roll, roll. It goes back and forth. The road roller makes a funny noise when it drives. Can you make that noise with me? Road roller says, I'm making the road smooth and even. When it's done, we can drive on the new road. This is a road roller. It makes the road smooth and even. Next, let's look over there. Do you see that vehicle with a bucket? It's a front loader. It has a big bucket. It can scoop up rocks and dirt. Scoop, scoop. It also has a place to dump the materials. Front loader says, I'm a front loader. I'm scooping and dumping. Wow. This front loader is a hard worker. When it's done, it can take a break and have some fun. This is a front loader. It scoops and dumps. Last but not least, let's find a bulldozer. It has a big blade. The bulldozer pushes things out of the way. Push, push. It also has a strong engine. The bulldozer can work all day long. Bulldozer says, I'm pushing everything out of the way. It makes a funny noise when it works. Can you make that noise with me? Vroom, vroom. The bulldozer helps to make room for our new playground. This is a bulldozer. It pushes everything out of the way. Now let's play. All the vehicles are working together. They're having so much fun. Here are all the trucks. They are best friends. They love to work together. Excavator says, let's dig a big hole for our new playground. Bulldozer says, I will push all the dirt out of the way. Dump truck says, I will bring rocks and sand for your playground. Front loader says, I will use my bucket to scoop up the dirt. Road roller says, when the playground is built, I will make the path smooth and even for everyone to walk on. Cement mixer says, I will make the cement for our new playground. All the trucks work together. They help each other. Look, the playground is ready. It's time to play. All the vehicles are so tired. They worked hard today. They are proud of their new playground. They are happy to help each other. Do you want to play at the playground? Little ones, it's me. Let's sing a song together. All the vehicles are here. They are best friends. They love to work together. Excavator and bulldozer. They dig and push. Front loader and dump truck. They scoop and carry. Cement mixer and road roller. They make the concrete and make the road. All the trucks work together. They help each other. At the end of the day, they have fun together. They're the best team. Little ones, can you say team? Team, we learn and grow together. We build and explore together. Little ones, can you say together? Together. Thank you for playing with us today. Bye bye.